Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Manas, and today I am going to discuss the first problem of recent edu round of Codeforces contest. And let's just start the video with first problem. And the problem name is not a substring. And in this problem you are given a string and you have to build another string twice the length of the given string. Okay, and in your answer string, the given string should not be present in your answer string as a substring. Okay, so let's just take one example, the first example. This is like you are given this string and you have to build the string, and the string contain only in closing and opening bracket, and also like your answer string should satisfy some condition, and the condition is that your answer string should contain opening and closing bracket, uh, and that is a regular bracket sequence. And what is the meaning of regular bracket sequence? You can just read from here. They have they have told you, like they have mentioned here what is the definition of regular bracket sequence. Regular bracket sequence means for each opening bracket there should be one closing bracket, and like if you put bracket in between, like if you put numbers in between these brackets and numbers and operator, and at the end, like that should be represent a valid what, like valid equation or like that. Okay, and yeah, like your answer string should be contain only opening or closing bracket, and the length of the answer string should be twice the length of the given string, and in your answer string the given string should not be present as a substring. Okay, so here uh, in the first example they are given this string. Okay, and you have to, like here the length of the string is 2, so we have to build the string whose length is 4. Okay, and like there are lot of different possibilities. You can build like this in this case there are two possibilities, this and this, and this is like this string can be my answer. These are the possible candidate. Okay, so we can say that the candidate for like the string which are candidate for answer. Okay, this string can be my answer string and this string can be my answer string. So and like we have to check, is this string contain substring which is equal to this or not. No, this is not. Then this is my answer. Okay, and similarly you can see like in this string also, like the given string is not present as a substring, but yeah, like both are the valid answer. But if we check this string, like the second example is, here the length of the string is 1 2 3. Okay, 3, and the given string is this and this, and you have to output. And also there is like if you are not able to make any string which satisfy this condition, then you can output no, and otherwise you have to you have to print yes, and as well as you have to print the answer string. Okay, and here the given string is this, and here the length of the given string is 3, so we have to make a string, like we have to build a string whose length is 6 and satisfy all the above condition. And like as I said here, the possible string is this. Okay, this is one string whose length is this is the regular bracket sequence, and whose length is 6. Okay, and this can be one of the string. This is also a regular bracket sequence and whose length is twice the length of the given string. So these are the possible string. And also if we say like this is the string, this is also a possible string. It is also a regular bracket sequence, and its length also the twice the length of the given string. Okay, so like if you see in the first string, uh, the given string present as a substring. Like see, this is the starting from second index, second, third, fourth. Starting from, if you consider the substring which starts from second index to fourth index, see this string is same as the given string. So this is not not a valid answer. This is not a valid answer. And like, yeah, if you see the second string, this is also a valid answer. So yeah, like this is the problem statement, and I have explained you to what is the problem statement and what is the input and what is the output. And let's just start the solution approach. Okay, so how we are going to approach this problem? Like, just imagine one thing here. The main point is here the main like just imagine one, like, here how I approached this problem during contest is that I just randomly take one string, okay, and like randomly take one regular bracket sequence, yeah, like regular bracket string, okay, and uh, for the like you can say simple regular bracket sequence, that is, let's suppose the given string length is 3. So I took this thing, and I like I just check, okay, I just check whether the given string is present as a substring in this string or not. If it is not present, then this is a valid string, and I print yes, and along with printing yes, print uh, I also printed this string. But there is, like, as you saw the as you saw in the second test case, the given string is present as a substring, okay. And here observe one thing, that what I'm telling you, just observe one thing. Here the length of the string is 3, okay, and here the length of the string is 6. What are the possible, what are the different possible substring here? This is one substring whose length is 3, okay, and like this is the important thing. Like, at first I just imagine, or I just take a random string, and for the sake of simplicity I just took this string, and after that I observed this thing. First thing is that if the given string is not present as a substring in the my answer string, then I just simply print yes, and along with that I I have printed this string, okay. And if it is present, then what I have observed this, like what I have observed the thing during the contest is, I just took all the substring whose length is 3. If you consider the second case, just take all the substring whose length is 3. Here this is one substring, and this is one substring, and this is one substring, and this is one substring. How many substrings are there? One, two, three, four. Four substrings are there. So now you have to make you have to make a string in which uh, in which like uh, in which any one of the substring is not present. I think did not get my point. Yeah, right, I understand. uh, See here, this is one possible string, and if you imagine this string, this is the, like, this is important point, this, and how, like, in this way you can prove your solution before implementing it, because like proving your solution is important, and most of the people, what they did is, or they generally do is, they implement the things based on intuition. But that doesn't work always. So you have to prove your solution, and then we'll go for implementing the solution. See, just observe these two things, and like, don't say like how you imagine this string. I just took randomly these two string, and like, making this string is simple, na? Here the length of the given string is 3. So like one closing, one, let's say one opening, one closing, one opening, one closing, one opening, one closing. So like, in for this way only I took these two strings, and this is also opening, this fast 3 is opening, fast 3 is closing. And after that, I observed one thing, that if like, see, in the first case there are 1 2 3 4 4 possible substring, and out of four possible substring, one substring is matched with my given string. Okay, so if somehow I can remove this possibility in another string, then that string is surely like surely satisfy all the condition. Okay, so are you getting this point or not? Like uh, what I'm trying to say is, here this is one substring, and this substring should not be present in should not be present in the another string, like which I'm going to build. Okay, and also this substring, like out of these all four substring, no one will present in my uh, next string, next answer string, or like you can say that next possible answer string. Okay, and uh, and also you just have to remove one possibility. One possibility means you just have to remove you just have to remove uh, because one substring is matched. Okay, and if you remove one substring case, then that will also fine. But but what I'm trying to say is like, uh, if you do that, then implementation, like implementing that, like that is also correct, that will be also correct, but implementing that things will become a little bit messy, I guess. So for that, what I did is, I just try to find a new string in which uh, in which this like that string here. See, in hash string, I just found all the substring in my given hash string, and based on those substring, I just try to build another string in which n- no in like uh, in yeah, like in second string, and there should not be any substring which is equal to out of this four out of this four substring. Yeah, so if you take all the substring of this string and all the substring of this string, this no one will match each other, not even a single string, not even a single substring. That is my point. So yeah, like all this substring, yeah, like not even a single substring will match with this string. So yeah, like this is the solution approach. And if you see this string means, like if you are given n equal to 3, then one closing one, sorry, one opening one closing, one opening one closing. Similarly, you can take three opening closing substring and adding them, and you will get final string. Just build this. Okay, so let's just see the solution. In solution, here the answer is like answer the answer string is like this. Answer string is like this, and here the temporary string is like this. At first I just insert all the opening bracket, and then, like, at first I just insert all the opening bracket means n number of opening bracket, which is the size of the given string, and then I insert all the closing bracket. All the closing bracket means n closing bracket. And here I checked that if if in my answer string, if the given string is present, if the given string is not present, then I just simply print yes, and along with that this answer string. And uh, if the given substring is present as a substring, sorry, given this given string is present as a substring in this string, then I went for checking in second string. Then I went for check in second string, and the second string is temp. And in this temporary, I also again check that if the given string is present as a substring in this string or not. Okay, and if not present, and basically this is like stl like standard template library, checking the temp dot find if not equal to string dot npos. So yeah, like you can find this in Google also. And if both the like uh, if if the given string is present in this string as well as this string, then we cannot build any answer string. So for that case you have to print no, and there exists only one case in which your answer is no, and that case is if the string length is 1, I guess. Because in this case, yeah, like the string length is 1. No, like yeah, if yeah, is just a second, let's just see the problem statement. Yeah, in this case only there exists single case, I guess. In like one two cases exist, because let's suppose you are given this string, and for that you can build this string, and this is present as a substring in both the string. The given string is present as substring. uh, if n value is 1, n means length of the given string, and given string is this, or length of the given string is 1 and given string is like this, single closing bracket or single opening bracket, for that case your answer should be no, because you cannot make any string who will going to satisfy all the mm, given condition. And also if the string is this, you can build the string like this is one possibility and this is one possibility. And in this case also your answer will be no, because you cannot because in this case also your answer is no, because you cannot make any string which is going to satisfy all the previous condition. So yeah, I felt like these are the two conditions in which like in where like the given in this case you have to print no as your answer. And otherwise I don't think is there in, like there is exist any other there exist on any other case where you have to print no. But yeah, these are the two possibility where you have to print no. And like I have told you like how like what is the intuition band solving this problem, that substring part. uh, and I just took the random string, and then I try to build the solution, and based on those solution, and I took this string, this string. Why I took these two things? Because for the like see, creating this string is simple nah? Like just insert fast n opening bracket, then insert closing bracket, and then insert one opening bracket. Yeah, like for building the string, just first insert or first n opening bracket, then n closing bracket. And for the second string you have to insert one opening, one closing, one opening, one closing, like yeah. And also you can avoid the see, you have to take one string. In this type of problem you have to imagine, okay, this is my given string, and based on those if this like you have to at first you have to imagine, okay, this is my answer string, and if this is my answer string, then is this string satisfy all the condition or not, and if satisfy condition, then print it. Otherwise what I can do, what are other possibility? So in this way you have to think this problem. Okay. And yeah, I did same also. I just uh, I just took this string as my answer string, and if this string is not if this string is not satisfied the all the given condition, then what I can do, or in what changes I have to make, so that the string becomes a valid answer string. And for that I observed the substring part, that I just have to avoid this substring in my next answer string, because I just I just have to avoid this substring in my answer string, because out of this substring one substring is satisfied with the given string, like one out of these four substring, or maybe more than one, like out of this four substring, one substring or more than one substring is matched with given string. So I just have to avoid this condition, and so that so that my next string will become a valid answer string. So this is the thing, and you do not have to avoid like all the force thing which I have told you. But yeah, if you are able to avoid, then it is well and good. So yeah, like this is the first problem. It is simple, I guess, and it took me around 10 minutes to solve, because 5 minutes I wasted 5 minutes due to internet connection. So yeah, and in next video I'll discuss the third problem of this edu round, and that is also a good problem, and I have implemented that using segmentary. I know like we don't need to we do not have to we do not need segmentary in that solution, but I did not able to come up with any solution without segmentary, so I just have to implement that segmentary solution. Yeah, and I haven't also watched other solution except segmentary, but we'll watch that soon. So okay, so we'll meet in next video.